All right, here's a John Deere 318 with the starter issue. It's really strange. Sometimes you turn the key, the starter doesn't engage at all. When at times it does engage, it makes a very loud, almost like a roar. So I want you all to take a listen to this, see if you have any ideas what it is, and help me out. So hear how loud that is? So it'll start. But you can tell that starter is not right. Sometimes it won't turn over at all. It just kind of clicks. You can hear the solenoid click, but nothing. So if you have any ideas as to why that is as loud as it is, please let me know. Thanks.